F-150 with the FP700 supercharger package.
Without launch control.
Oh my god.
Oh!
What was that?
I think that was the diff hitting the bed.
Looking for a truck that can handle 500,000 miles without major repairs and is super reliable? Yep, some trucks are built that tough. And today we're counting down the top 15 most reliable pickups ever made. Which trucks go the distance year after year? Stick around to find out which pickups have stood the test of time and power. Number 15, the 2008 Lincoln Mark LT. At number 15, meet the 2008 Lincoln Mark LT, a pickup that brings luxury and performance together. Not the most famous pickup on the road, but it certainly has a dedicated following among those who appreciate style with substance. Sharing many parts with the Ford F-150, it boasts a 5.4-litre V8 engine, pushing out 300 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. Towing up to 8,900 pounds, it's built for light to moderate hauling with ease. Owners often praise its reliability, luxurious ride, and well-finished interior. Maintenance costs sit at around $770 per year, making it a reasonable choice for a high-end pickup. A classy option for anyone wanting utility with a dash of elegance. Number 14, 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Rolling in at number 14, the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche combines the best of both SUV and pickup worlds. Known for its iconic midgate feature, it can extend the cargo bed, offering more space when it's time to haul extra gear. Powered by a 5.3-litre V8 that produces 320 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque, it has a towing capacity of 8,100 pounds. Owners love its smooth ride and spacious, comfortable interior. Maintenance averages around $730 per year, making it affordable for what it offers. While there are occasional suspension issues, the Avalanche's unique versatility and reliability make it a solid choice for adventurous families and road warriors alike. Number 13, the 2014 Ford F-150. Taking the 13th spot, the 2014 Ford F-150 needs little introduction. This legendary truck has been a top pick for years due to its versatility and reliability, offering several engine choices from a 3.7-litre V6 to the powerful 3.5-litre EcoBoost V6. The F-150 can handle nearly any task with a towing range that maxes out at 11,300 pounds. A JD Power reliability score of 83 backs its reputation, and maintenance sits at a reasonable $745 per year. It's a classic workhorse that can handle everything from daily commutes to tough jobs. Number 12, the 2016 GMC Canyon. Number 12 brings in the 2016 GMC Canyon, a mid-sized truck with big capabilities. With 3 engine choices, including a 2.8-litre Duramax diesel, it strikes a balance between power and efficiency. The V6 engine delivers 305 horsepower and can tow up to 7,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy loads, earning a solid 4 out of 5 in reliability from Consumer Reports. The Canyon's refined interior, quiet cabin, and advanced tech make it a fan favourite. Maintenance costs are low at around $493 per year, though some owners have noted minor electronics issues. A mid-sized truck that's reliable, comfortable, and efficient, the Canyon is all of that and more. Number 11, the 2010 Rum Dakota. At number 11, the 2010 Rum Dakota makes an appearance with a powerful blend of mid-size capability and rugged dependability. Its base 3.7-litre V6 engine offers 210 horsepower, while the 4.7-litre V8 upgrade brings 302 horsepower and a towing capacity of up to 7,250 pounds. Scoring 87 on JD Power's reliability scale, it's a solid work truck with maintenance around $614 yearly. Interested in a dependable truck that blends performance with affordability? The Dakota is a compelling choice, despite minor suspension reports. Number 10, the 2022 Rivian R1T. Breaking into the top 10, the 2022 Rivian R1T is an all-electric pickup that's redefining power and reliability. Featuring a quad motor setup with a whopping 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque, it's a beast that can tow up to 11,000 pounds. And with a range of around 314 miles per charge, it's ready for long trips. Maintenance is relatively low for an electric truck, averaging around $363 per year thanks to fewer moving parts. While some software and charging concerns come up, the R1T stands out as a top choice for those ready to switch to electric without sacrificing durability or performance. Number 9, the 2011 Ford Ranger. At number 9, the 2011 Ford Ranger makes the list as a compact truck that's tough to beat. With two engine options, a 2.3-litre inline-4 or a 4-litre V6, it can tow up to 5,800 pounds, scoring 86 in JD Power's reliability. It offers durability with an average maintenance cost of $614 per year. Could this rugged, budget-friendly choice be the perfect fit for your needs? Despite occasional suspension and electrical quirks, its solid build makes it a go-to for reliability. Number 8, the 2019 Nissan Frontier. Sliding into 8th, the 2019 Nissan Frontier is celebrated for its budget-friendly reliability. Available with a 2.5-litre inline-4 or a powerful 4-litre V6 engine, it can tow up to 6,710 pounds, especially with the V6 model. A JD Power score of 87 highlights its dependability, and maintenance costs are quite affordable at around $470 per year. Although its interior may feel a bit dated, it's a testament to Nissan's focus on simplicity and durability. It's a solid choice for a mid-sized truck that'll keep going. Number 7, the 2012 Honda Ridgeline. Taking the 7th spot is the 2012 Honda Ridgeline, a unique truck that combines SUV-like comfort with pickup practicality. Powered by a 3.5-litre V6 engine, it produces 250 horsepower and can tow up to 5,000 pounds, which suits light to moderate needs well. With a JD Power reliability score of 87, the Ridgeline's loved for its comfortable ride, spacious cabin, and features like the in-bed trunk. Maintenance costs sit at a low $520 per year, adding to its appeal as a budget-friendly truck. Though there are occasional reports of electronic issues, the Ridgeline's combination of utility and comfort make it a standout. Number 6, the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. The 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 lands at number 6. Known for its power and dependability, offering a range of engines, the 5.3-litre V8 option's particularly popular, delivering 315 horsepower and a towing capacity of up to 10,700 pounds. With a JD Power reliability score of 89, it's favoured for both its strong construction and comfortable ride. Maintenance costs are about $666 per year. The Sierra 1500 remains an ideal option for anyone seeking durability and a touch of refinement. Number 5, the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Cracking the top 5, the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD brings heavy-duty reliability to the table. Equipped with a 6-litre V8 and an optional 6.6-litre Duramax turbo diesel engine, it tows up to a massive 17,800 pounds. With a JD Power reliability score of 86, owners appreciate its robust build and strong performance. Maintenance costs are higher at around $912 per year due to its heavy-duty design, but the Silverado is made to work hard without complaint. Number 4, the 2013 Toyota Tundra. Taking 4th place, the 2013 Toyota Tundras earned a reputation for rugged reliability. Offering 3 engine choices, the 5.7-litre V8 stands out with 381 horsepower and a towing capacity of up to 10,400 pounds. Known for its high JD Power reliability score of 88, the Tundra combines powerful performance with low maintenance costs of around $660 annually. Minor suspension issues have been reported, but its durability and high resale value make the Tundra a wise investment for anyone seeking long-term reliability. Number 3, the 2014 Honda Ridgeline. Landing in the 3rd spot, the 2014 Honda Ridgeline blends pickup utility with SUV-like comfort in a way that few trucks do. Powered by a 3.5-litre V6 engine, it offers 250 horsepower and a 5,000 pound towing capacity. It ranks highly in reliability with a JD Power score of 89, and maintenance costs are around $525 per year. Known for its spacious interior and unique in-bed trunk, it's loved for daily drives and weekend getaways alike. Number 2, the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Coming in 2nd, the 2015 Toyota Tacoma is a mid-sized truck celebrated for its rugged durability. With 2 engine options, a 2.7-litre inline-4 and a 4-litre V6, it can tow up to 6,500 pounds, especially with the V6 engine. A JD Power reliability score of 85 confirms its trusted status, and maintenance costs remain reasonable at around $427 a year. Though some may find the interior basic, it's built for those who need a reliable off-road ready truck without breaking the bank. And number 1, the 2010 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Finally, topping off the list as the most reliable pickup truck of all time, the 2010 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This heavy-duty beast offers 2 powerhouse engine options, a 6-litre V8 and a 6.6-litre Duramax diesel, with towing capabilities of up to 13,000 pounds, scoring the highest JD Power reliability rating on the list with an impressive 89. It's beloved for its rock-solid build and rugged design. Maintenance Those costs are higher at around $855 annually, but it's built to handle the toughest jobs. For those in need of a heavy-duty, dependable workhorse, the Sierra 2500 HD is the ultimate choice. So there it is, the ultimate list of the 15 most reliable pickups ever made. Which of these rugged rides would you trust for the long haul? For anyone in the market for a truck that will go the distance, these are some of the best you'll find. If this list got the engines roaring, hit the like button, subscribe for more epic truck countdowns, and drop a comment below with the reliable truck that deserves the top spot. Let's keep the truck talk rolling.